Hello everybody, I am Ashish from technologydetective.com, and in today's video I am going to tell you that what is social media marketing. Social media marketing. So if you want to know more about social media marketing, subscribe my channel now. And what is social media marketing? Social media marketing means, have you ever seen a big actor or a big social media creator doing the promotion of some brand or some product? Have you ever seen this? This is known as social media marketing. The big companies give money to the creators so they can do the review and give links to their community, and for this thing they are paid. Now you will say, how can we do this, because we don't have sufficient funds to give the big creators for our promotion. We don't have these funds. So how will we do social media? First of all, I should tell you 50% of social media marketing is free. 50% of social media marketing is free. You can send the links to somebody else and someone in your group. Do you know, in the whole digital marketing career, I have learned one thing, that the most important thing of digital marketing is audience. The more you have audience, the more you grow. The more you have followers, the more you have power. Audience is the power in the digital marketing career. Audience is the main power. And how will you get audience? First of all, you will take the audience from your family, friends, and then you like Instagram. Then you will start, and with your family, friends, you will get up to 400 followers. Up to 400 followers you will get. After that, what you will do? The 400 followers are your family, your friends. What is the use of that social media family which you have? Your family, why to send them? You can send them on WhatsApp, or you can send them any. You need the audience which you do not have. Now, how will you get that? Let me tell you that. In digital marketing, content is king. The best content is rewarded and the other content is neglected. You should make the best content. If you are posting pictures, you should send the best pictures, HD pictures. And if you are on YouTube videos, then you should have the best quality content videos. Best quality is always rewarded, and you should have that. And how will you get that? You should see other creators, and then after you should see that what mistakes are you doing which they are not doing. And if you'll think like that, you will definitely get success. But now, if your content is good, but there is no one to watch the content, who will see the content? How to bring this? In Instagram, there are hashtags and you can tag users. This helps in popularity. In Facebook, you can also use hashtags, and WhatsApp, you can also, not WhatsApp, in YouTube, you can also use hashtags. In all social media platforms, you can send your content like this. And the person who will like your content will definitely subscribe your channel or started following you. He will definitely do this. Yes. First, you should have your content to be good. Now your content is good. You have good content. Now what should you do? You should send your content to someone else. Now if those people, you should send, like you are making a video on beauty tips. Then you should send this video only to the person who like beauty tips. If you will send to your friend who like beauty tips, then he will send the link to his friends who like beauty tips. So in this way, your content will be this way you should use to viral your content. And after you got followers, what will you do? First of all, The companies will not hire you when you get 1,000 followers or something like that. Company will never hire you because they will not get sufficient profit from you, so they will not hire you. You should, if you have seen my previous video on affiliate marketing, then you know what is affiliate marketing. But if you don't, then the link of the video is on I button. Go watch it now, because if you will not watch it, 50% of this video will you not be able to understand. You will not be able to understand 50% of the content of this video. So if you have watched it, then you must have an affiliate program with you, Amazon or Flipkart or anyone. You must have it. And if you have, then go on to the second step. Send your links to your community and with pictures, because nobody likes link, nobody clicks on the link. You should give them picture, because if you will give them picture, they will see that which product is this, and if they are interested to buy this, they will click on the link and buy it, and then you will be getting a commission. To know more about this commission rates and all this, you must see my previous video. The link will be in the I button or in the description. You can check that. And now let's go to the second step. Now you have affiliate marketing, you can do this. Now you have to tell others that you have followers, you have audience, because if they don't know that you have audience, then how will they hire you? Then you should tell them that you have audience. Have you seen in YouTube some people say that I have got 10,000 followers, I have got 1K likes, I have got this. Why they are telling this? To tell the big companies that they are having a community, and you should go there to see and hire them for the community. And when people will got to know that this is going on, then first of all it will start in the middle age. Some people will call you and say, please help me to increase my followers. I am ready to pay you 12,000, I am ready to pay you 10,000 or less. You will not get higher amount in the starting. The amount will increase day by day, but not in the starting. Or it always starts with a good and a less amount, but the amount increase day by day. So you have to follow the same formula. If your friend or somebody say, I am ready to pay you this, and send my link to your audience, your Instagram, your Facebook, then you will send this, and for this you will be rewarded. You will get a money, and like this you move. Then that friend of your friend will tell other friends that I have done this to get followers, I have done this to get users, I have done this to get customers. Then others will also do this. By this your social media marketing business will increase and increase. And this is how it will start. And when it starts, you'll get more deals from big companies, big offices, big and all. Now, if you have seen this all video and understood it all, then I really want you to see my other videos and subscribe my channel if you are new. And if you have any doubts related to it, please comment me in the comment section. That is why there is a comment section. Please comment me and I will give you reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for new videos from my side. Till the time, goodbye everybody.